in this video I'll show you how to add the HotSpots question type in the quiz. This format allows you to assess knowledge through interaction with images, making testing more visual, interactive, and easy for learners to understand. To add this question type, open the required quiz and click Add Question. Select the Hotspot choice question type. Next, upload the image. On this image, your hotspots will be placed, and add the question text. And position the hotspots on the image. Each hotspot can be given a name. Please note that this name is visible only to administrators and is not shown to learners. You can also adjust the hotspot's position and the transparency by changing the corresponding settings. After adding all hotspots, mark which of them are correct answers for this question. For this question type, both automatic and manual grading are available. In this example, I'll choose manual approval. Now let's see how it looks from the learner's perspective. While taking the quiz, the learner can select one or multiple hotspots directly on the image, marking the options they believe are correct. If they need to change their answer, they can simply click on the cross to deselect it. From the administrator side, during manual review, you can see full details of the learner's selections and correctness of each hotspot. The results for this question type are displayed to the learner in the results section, where they can immediately see which hotspots were selected correctly and which were not. The hotspots question type makes quizzes more interactive and visually intuitive, helps learners better absorb the material through image-based interaction, and increases overall engagement in the learning process. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy!